76వ గణతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని పురస్కరించుకొని ఆదివారం మంచిర్యాల జిల్లా మందమర్రి మోడల్ పాఠశాలలో గణతంత్ర వేడుకలను ఘనంగా నిర్వహించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో మోడల్ పాఠశాల ప్రిన్సిపాల్ తారా తస్మి, ఉపాధ్యాయులు, విద్యార్థులు పాల్గొన్నారు.
On 26 January, the President of India hosts the national flag in New Delhi. Jai Hind.
Under the leadership of, under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, along with
came into force on 26th January 1950. It is adopted on 26th November 1949, but came into force on 26th January 1950. And here we are celebrating Independence Day as well as Republic Day, both as national festivals. In the Independence Day, we got the freedom from the Britishers.
We are celebrating 76th Republic Day in our school premises. So with all my staff, students and parents, I wish everyone a very happy Republic Day. And on this occasion, we have conducted several games for the students for whom the prizes will be distributed now. So it's a very proud moment for us. After independence, nearly 76 years we have completed. India framed its own rules and regulations in the constitution, and to rule such a diversified country, it required to be having number of rules and regulations. Otherwise, it would have been very difficult to rule the country. Such a country where people of different religions, race, caste, languages exist, to bring everybody on the same track, it required a constitution. And this constitution is the lengthiest written constitution in the world. The father of our constitution, B.R. Ambedkar, has a very great role in implementing, in writing the constitution as well as bringing it into the force. Constitution of India gives equality, social justice to all its citizens, irrespective of religion, region, gender, caste, etc. So it's a very proud moment, and this is the first Republic Day we, the newly transferred staff, celebrating here. On this occasion, I wish a very happy Republic Day to everybody, and at the same time, being the principal of TS Model School Mandamari, I request the people of Mandamari Mandal to enroll their students on the online applications which have started. Online applications have been started. The entrance exam for 6th class is going to be conducted in the month of April. So I request everybody to enroll it. Thank you.